more effective?
Aside from our main use on uniform physically, there are so many ICT-based approaches that we have. Don't forget that we, sometimes ago, the IGP ordered commissioners of police to meet with captains of industries, directors in various places to install CCTV cameras in their premises, to fortify, to have internal security around them. And most of these facilities and the efforts made, ICT-based approaches, are connected to our command and control center in Abuja. We have command and control center in Abuja. It's a very big, let's say, laboratory office where we monitor the whole country. We have the geographical map of Nigeria, even the demographic map of Nigeria on this screen, where you see every town, not even local government this time, every town where we have human existence is on that particular map. So most of these facilities from private companies, all of them, they have been connected to our home command and control center. Like, for instance, in Lagos now, we're having 2 command and control center, one in Alausa, near the governor's office, and one in Ikeja at the command headquarters. All of them have been integrated together. Then most of these facilities, other banks and the likes, they have their security and networking connected to the command and control center. So apart from the physical presence, the visibility policing you see,
there's also
so many
technological that is invisible but
very effective.
It bumps up
very
effectiveness
effective.
of the police.
Very effective.
Thank you very much for holding on, James in Lokoja. Good morning to you, sir. Go ahead with your question or observation.
Yes, good morning. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning to the CSP there.
Yes.
Good morning, bro.
Yes, I appreciate the work the police is doing in Nigeria to save lives. But I also think sometimes that those of you who are the top echelon, as a policeman yourself, you are being protected, surrounded by other policemen. So from your analysis of the way the country is safe, I do not think it is so accurate. Because when you move in some, I don't know whether you are aware of the case that happened in around Lokoja here last week, where about 5 policemen were killed, including some other vigilante groups. The picture you are painting does not reflect the reality that those of us who move around see. There is that fear that sometimes you see policemen and you are even afraid of the policemen that you see, because you are not sure whether these people are genuine police or not. So I think the police need to rejig, re-strategize their operations so that Nigerians will really feel safe.
All right,
the picture you have painted is too good compared to the reality on ground. But you guys are trying anyway.
All right then. Thank you very much, James, calling in from Lokoja. Your comments.
Well, one security expert is a retired commissioner of police, ECS Ojuku. In fact, he was the former first PRO. He described a policeman. He said a policeman is a madman who runs to where people run away from. Did you get that? He's a madman, quote and unquote, who runs to where people run away from. Where people are saying there's a problem, run for your life.
You don't expect to see policemen among those running.
Police must be the one to go and see what is happening.
In the opposite direction.
And it's one of the hazards of the job that when we are on operation, at times criminals, men of the other world, will lay ambush. And sincerely, when you talk of ambush, it's a very delicate thing. Because you're on a movement, you never knew those who have hidden themselves in the bush or whatever. So at times when we go on operation to go and rescue, to save situations, we are attacked.
Sometimes
we are attacked. In fact, we've lost some of our men to this.
That.
And when somebody was telling me one day that, you police, what are you doing? I said, if you don't do anything, we will not be dying. No. We are human beings like you. We will die. It's because we are on duty and we are active. That's why we die.
Okay.
So let us get it right that the fact that they kill some policemen somewhere doesn't mean, in fact, it's to show that we are working. We are moving towards that place. That's why our men were attacked and killed. It's to show that we are actually
And what you also said earlier, does it apply when James Emmanuel said that what he is on ground and what he is seeing, he says is at variance with what the picture you presented earlier in the program.
Like I said, there's no, have pockets of incidents like that. So if you are seeing one, Does that mean the whole Nigeria is on fire?
Okay.
No.
Ada, good morning.